Ripple's price soared close to $2 as part of the massive rally. Despite the fact that Ripple's price fell below $1, it remained confident that it would recover its losses in a short period of time. The Ripple SEC lawsuit, which had already drained more than half of the price when it began, may, however, fuel the bull run once it is finalized, and wait until the end to learn how to double your money. Make sure to turn on all of your notifications for our channel to stay up to date on all of the latest XRP news. Due to a series of strange events, attorney Jeremy Hogan is convinced that William Hinman's deposition never took place. The SEC has filed a complaint against Ripple Labs, Brad Garlinghouse, and Chris Larson for selling unregistered securities, with the complaint implicitly referring to Ripple's XRP as a security. MoneyGram has been delisted from cryptocurrency exchanges in the United States as a result of the industry's reaction. MoneyGram is reportedly being approached by ex-Ripple co-founder Jed McCaleb and Stellar. The possibility of a settlement with the SEC sparked speculation among high-profile members of the XRP community. In June, a lawyer predicted that a summary judgment would not be entered until early 2022, possibly in January, based on the current circumstances. For the time being, it appears that a possible settlement will not occur until at least early September, and it is more likely to occur after October. Digital assets are a hot topic in the finance industry, and the Ripple lawsuit is seen as an opportunity to bring regulatory clarity to the industry. The Securities and Exchange Commission recently requested the discovery be delayed for 60 days, causing concern among the XRP community, which is counting down the days until it's over. Pretrial settlements account for 96% of all SEC cases, with 60% occurring prior to litigation. This fact only serves as a foreshadowing of what's to come. It's impossible to know what the future holds. When the judge granted the defendant's motion for discovery related to Bitcoin and Ether, which are relevant to the Howey test as well as the fair notice defense, strange things started to happen. The SEC refused to provide the documents, despite the threat of financial sanctions. Ripple's lawyer complained to the judge on July 15 that the agency had failed to deliver internal documents on June 14. As promised, after the judge told Ripple that he needed to file a brief the following week, he never did. Jeremy Hogan, Ripple's lawyer, was also struck by the SEC desperation to avoid the deposition, as well as how quickly the SEC and Ripple had agreed to its terms. To top it off, two SEC commissioners acknowledged a lack of clarity in the digital asset ecosystem in a public statement last week. It's the first time I've seen two SEC commissioners argue in favor of Ripple's fair notice defense that market participants in the crypto space do not have fair notice. This statement was added to Ripple Labs and the individual defendants' motions for fair notice and dismissal of the case, which were both filed by Ripple Labs and the individual defendants. Only the individual defendants responded to the SEC letters in order to complete their records. Wow, Ripple squandered the opportunity, or did he? Is it possible for Ripple's 23 lawyers to complete a 3-page reply brief in less than 9 days? You can also wait for it if you prefer. Could it be that Ripple didn't respond to the SEC because it was required to? Ripple didn't need to respond because of the seriousness of the situation. Multiple national payment systems can be linked together using Nexus to create a cross-border platform that allows international payments to be made as quickly as sending a text message. In collaboration with the Monetary Authority of Singapore, the Bank for International Settlements, BIS will publish a blueprint for the multilateral linking of domestic real-time payment systems across borders. The blueprint draws on the National Payments Corporation of India's NPCI development and operation of the Unified Payment Interface UPI systems, as well as PayNow in Singapore and PromptPay in Thailand. As a result, Ripple is still fighting the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, over an alleged sale of unregistered securities and Hinman's deposition as a former SEC corporate finance director. The digital asset space is unclear. According to 2 of the 5 SEC commissioners, the agency rebuked the gift from the heavens after receiving a letter from Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson, who are seeking dismissal of their case. As cross-border payments become more competitive, Ripple has taken steps to diversify the use cases for the XRP ledger. The company's most recent venture is asset tokenization. The SEC has been paying attention to tokenized assets in recent months. Make no mistake, it doesn't matter if it's a stable value token or any other virtual product that provides a synthetic exposure to underlying securities, said Gary Gensler, chairman of the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. The 200-day simple moving average has converged with a multi-year inverse head and shoulders formation. During the process, the international settlement token triggered a double bottom pattern established by the lows of June and July. Several resistance levels appear to have been broken, and the XRP price is poised to take advantage of a significant opportunity. The measured move of the double bottom is nearly 30%, according to the 733 cents double bottom trigger price, the $1 target, which corresponds to a 38.2% retracement level of the April-June correction, is too high to achieve. Major cryptocurrencies are well positioned to continue their gains ahead of the upcoming consolidations. Even though the easy money has been made, every cryptocurrency is now facing a trend-determining resistance area that will test investors' resolve moving forward. The price of XRP is 7,450 cents as of this video editing on July 31st, up 3% in the last 24 hours, with a market cap of $74.5 billion. David Schwartz, Arthur Britto, and Jed McCaleb started working on the XRP ledger and XRP as its native asset in 2011. Shortly after the protocol's launch in 2012, a new company called OpenCoin was formed. Chris Larsen has been appointed as the company's CEO. The following year, the name was changed to Ripple Labs Inc. before being shortened to Ripple for marketing purposes in 2015. It's important to remember that XRP and Ripple are two separate entities. XRP is an independent digital asset used for microtransactions, remittances, and online payments. It is a fintech company that develops global payment solutions. Ripple kept 80 billion tokens to fund future operations and development, while the remaining XRP was split among the founders. In 2017, the company put 55 billion of its 80 billion XRP tokens into an escrow account, from which it could sell 1 billion tokens per month on the secondary market. Unsold tokens are returned to escrow at the end of each selling period and redistributed at a later selling period. So 32 billion XRP has been released from escrow in the last 32 months. The ledger settles payments in less than 5 seconds and can process more than 1,500 transactions per second. According to Ripple's XRP documentation, a small amount of XRP is destroyed to cover transaction fees, about 10 drops, a unit of XRP worth 0. The transaction cost is designed to increase in tandem with the network's load to discourage network usage during busy periods. All XRP transactions are executed and settled on the ledger. Based on past patterns and price movements, a slight pullback in the price of XRP is possible. A massive recovery could also be on the way, pushing the price to the next resistance level. Even after such a massive price increase, price could drop to current resistance levels around 77 cents before making a significant jump to $1. Some bullish predictions in the crypto space point to a double-digit figure. According to one popular analyst, the price could reach $1.66 by April 2022. It could fall by as much as $1.50 by the end of July 2022. Surprisingly, the analyst believes that in a month's time, prices will have risen from $1.06 to more than $15. Is this massive uptick due to the Ripple vs. SEC case, which could be resolved in this? As a result, the token's price may rise as a result of its relisting, but the likelihood of a sharp drop is currently unknown. If the Ripple vs. SEC case goes forward, the XRP price may. Finally, we'd like to remind you that the information in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other type of advice, and you should not treat any of it as such. This video's content is for entertainment purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Before making any investment decisions, do your homework and consult with your financial advisor. We've reached the end of the discussion. Thank you for your support and for sticking with the video to the end. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and like the video. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments section below. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.